Do you need a reliable dumpster rental in Oceanside, California? Look no further than Lightweight Debris Removal LLC. Our range of dumpster sizes accommodates various projects, making us the perfect choice for any task, from small home cleanouts to large-scale construction sites. Whether you're remodeling, decluttering, or managing a construction project, Lightweight Debris Removal LLC has you covered. Our team provides prompt, professional service, ensuring timely delivery and pickup so your project stays on track without hassle. You can count on us for a seamless experience from start to finish. At Lightweight Debris Removal LLC, we care about the environment. We prioritize eco-friendly practices, ensuring responsible waste disposal and recycling to protect our beautiful community. We also offer driveway-safe dumpster rentals to ensure your property remains undamaged. Experience the difference with our commitment to customer satisfaction. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff are always ready to assist you with choosing the right dumpster and answering any questions you may have. Ready to get started? Call us at 866-345-5646 or visit us online at www.lwdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Oceanside, CA to reserve your dumpster today. Lightweight Debris Removal LLC, efficient, reliable, eco-friendly. Let us handle your waste so you can focus on what matters most.